Welcome to Templafy. Templafy has just been installed on your computer, and in this video, we will guide you through how to get started in Outlook. The first time Templafy is installed on your computer, you'll see a pop-up asking you to sign in when you open Outlook and start a new email. Click on Login, and you'll be signed in automatically. The first time you use Templafy, you'll be asked to complete your user profile to create your email signature. If you've already done this, your signature will appear automatically. When filling out your profile, enter your personal details in the correct fields. Templafy will use this information to customize your signature. Your Templafy admins centrally manage your signature designs and marketing campaigns, so you might notice updates from time to time. No matter if you're replying to an email or writing a new one, Templafy will automatically add your signature. The best part? Templafy automatically detects whether you're emailing someone inside or outside your company and applies the right signature design. To update your personal information, click on Templafy in your Outlook toolbar. Click on the ellipsis menu and choose Manage User Profile. Here, you can make the necessary modifications and save. Your new information will instantly be applied to your signatures. Thanks for watching. Get started now by filling out your profile. If you don't see Templafy in Outlook, contact your support team.